Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Marshall's Mid Active Noise Cancellation headphone. It is around 150 pounds. I'll leave the link below for the updated price if you are interested in. The one I bought is going to be black. You do get three more colors: black, blue and white. It's coming with 20 hours of playtime with active noise cancellation on. You have 30 hours of playtime without the noise cancellation. So let's look at that. So you do get audio cable. So it is going to be the active noise cancellation. What does that mean? It is going to use the microphones to pick up the noise and able to understand what environment are you in. Then we're going to use the headphone playback to cancel the noise out. So let's give it a try to see are they worth it for the money you're paying. I haven't used Marshall's headphone for a while. I have used Marshall speakers but not the headphone. So we're gonna try this out and to see if how the audio quality is. So it is Marshall, so you do get a small pouch, get the warranty, user manual, you do get audio cable 3.5 to 3.5 and you get a micro USB cable for the charge. So you do get a leaflet, so you can do mid noise cancellations, and the noise cancellation is going to be on most of the time, and you can turn them off as well. First of all, you can fold the head, you can't turn them in the other way around, so it is only one-sided. It does have the old school look, and they are smaller ear cups comparing with the Sony's Bose. They are much more smaller ear cups, so they are going to be sitting on your ears rather than covering your ears. That is going to be your headphone jack intake, micro USB charging input, and you have the noise cancellation to on and off. That's going to be your power. So let's turn this on and we're going to try the quality without the wires. Then after that we're going to connect to the wire and we're going to see if that quality change. We're going to watch a video and listen to song to see if it is any lag. So let's turn this on. First we're going to listen to 50%. So the audio is clear. It's a very tight ear fit. It doesn't feel like a big headphone. It's very tight fit, so it's quite loud. Even with the low volume, it's quite loud. Let's put the volumes up. The audio feels more rich. It's more premium that you normally get it on Bang & Olufsen headphone like the E8s or the H9s, the new models where you're paying like 400 pounds. But on here you're paying like half of the price. The audio quality is much better. I can't hear anything. The noise cancellation is on. I cannot hear anything outside. Now we're gonna put the noise cancellation off, see how much I can hear outside. With the noise cancellation is off, it's still giving a passive noise cancellation, so it's quite loud. The audio is much richer than any of the headphones. Even Sony Mark III's, you don't have the same richness without any apps and all that. Where on Mark III's you have to download the app to get that audio quality, where on here you don't. So let's see the audio quality on here. So the bass is so clear, the audio feels so rich. So you can see the lyrics and I can hear the audio, so there is no lag. The quality remain the same. It doesn't matter the volume's going up, volume's going down. You can use the headphone in both ways. You're perfectly fine using the headphone with wire or without the wires. The quality wise is really good. The audio is very rich. For 160 pounds, Marshall's going to be a really good option if you are looking for a wireless headphone but you want to use it with the wire as well and you want that rich deep bass. Again, Marshall's is known for audio quality than any other headphones. I really like the quality and the fit of the headphone. Is very soft in your ears. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you guys on the next video. If you have any question, please leave the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.